हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ आशीष और आज हम बात करेंगे डिफरेंट मिथ्स एसोसिएटेड विथ कैंडलस्टिक एनालिसिस। आपको पता है कि मतलब वी हैव डिफरेंट शेप साइज ऑफ कैंडल्स एंड बाय डिफॉल्ट लोग ये सोचते हैं कि जो भी ग्रीन कैंडल हैं वो ग्रीन होती हैं एंड देन दे आर बुलिश कैंडल, देन रेड वंस रिप्रेजेंट bearish कैंडल एंड doji represents indecisive candle, but that is not true. That is not true. Okay, so first rule is this is not true. None of these candles represent anything. They don't represent anything until and unless they are at the right place or in the right phase of a particular trend. Okay, for example, this is your bullish candle, this is your hammer candle, you can say pin bar also. This one is Marubozu, and then this is called healthy bullish candle, and this is kind of indecisive equivalent to your doji candle, but people call it spinning top candle. And then is inverted hammer or inverted pin. Okay, same goes for this one, Marubozu bearish, and then inverted hammer, healthy bearish, and spinning top, and then hammer. Then they have, we can name it as much as you want, but they don't have that much influence on how to read it. So today I am going to tell you about how to read these candles with respect to your current trend and how to read it in overall scenario. Okay, so जिनको कुछ नहीं पता है, like people who are just beginner, तो उनके लिए एक खुशखबरी है कि हम बिल्कुल जीरो से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. So they have option to go from. So if we see here in a candle, there are different parts of it that represent different thing. So this range between open and close represent the body. You can call it real body or fake body, but it is a body. Okay, then the space beyond it is called wick or shadow. Okay, and in bullish candle, although in the green candle, opens happen to be below close and closing in negative candle or bearish candle, red candle. I won't say it bearish or bullish candle, but let's say red candle is your bearish candle, then close happens to be lower than your open price, and the shadow region represents your region of rejections. Rejections means in this price range, particular side of traders were dominating compared to other kind of trader. For example, in upper shadow or upper wick, sellers were dominating, and in lower zone buyers were dominating. Means upper zone, upper shadow represents the one can say upper zone represents the supply area or resistance zone, and the lower wick represents your support zone, or you can say demand zone. Okay, that's how you need to read it, because based on this analysis you will be able to understand where my supply zone is and where my resistance zone is. Okay, let's go to trading view and see how things are there. Okay, so before you move ahead, like going for the analysis, there are 5 factors that you need to take in account. One thing is that first thing is see what kind of candle is there in terms of colors. Okay, So color means, color represent actually that overall scenario was in which direction, bearish, bullish or neutral. Then second thing is, you need to understand the relative position of candle with respect to trend. For example, in this scenario, bullish candle will have a different meaning and bearish candle will have a different meaning, because this is uptrend. In uptrend, people try to take trend in a uptrend for the people who trade with a trend, and I usually recommend the same thing, always go with the trend. Okay, so here people like red candle will be opportunity where people will sell off, or bullish candle will be a signal of further bullish uptrend or further uptrend. Okay, so bullish candle in the downtrend, for example this is a downtrend, so here this bullish candle will have a different meaning than bullish candle here, here or here. Okay, third point is, you need to understand the strength of that particular candle. Strength means volume of the candle, and that volume represents the number of exchange of shares. Okay, exchange of number of shares. Okay, so the higher the exchange means higher the you can say higher the weightage to that particular candle. For example, you are seeing that here this candle have higher volume than this candle, or you can say this candle have higher volume compared to this candle, or you can say this candle have kind of similar size. Okay, so you need to understand what kind of volume or what kind of volume strength a particular candle brings. For example, you are seeing here big candle, big volume means this trend now supposedly will break. So here you can see that trend break and then price came further down. Okay, fourth point is relative closing with respect to previous high and low, means जो आपकी प्रीवियस कैंडल थी उसके रिस्पेक्ट में कैंडल की क्लोजिंग कैसे हुई है. अगर वो कैंडल प्रीवियस देके, अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं लेता हूं कोई भी बुलिश कैंडल ले लेते हैं एग्जांपल, ठीक है, दिस कैंडल didn't close above the previous candle high, so this candle in my opinion doesn't have value. Okay, on the other hand this candle have a better opportunity, or I would say this candle represent better scenario in terms of going with the uptrend, because it has broken high of previous 4 days candle. Okay, so that you need to take into account. Okay, same cheese here, this candle didn't close below this candle, so this red candle in my opinion doesn't have volume. This candle closed below this candle but doesn't have volume. Okay, and also it has a rejection in lower side, means in lower side bias were in strength, like bias की जो strength थी वो ज़्यादा थी compared to your sellers, and upper side में आपका sellers की strength, मतलब sellers की strength weak नहीं है, so there wasn't any fight, so volume नहीं है आपका, तो एक क्राइटेरिया कैंसिल हो गया। थर्ड थिंग इज बॉडी टू विक रेशियो। बॉडी टू विक रेशियो जैसे मैंने बताया कि विक रिप्रेजेंट्स योर रिजेक्शन एरिया, जहां पे फाइट हुई है बट वन साइडेड मूवमेंट हो गया है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस कैंडल को हम लेते हैं हियर। इस कैंडल में क्या हुआ है कि आपका इवन दो दिस इज योर बेयरिश कैंडल, बट यहां पे आपको क्या रेड कैंडल है, बट सी बॉडी टू विक रेशियो, बॉडी इज 1/3 और 1/4 ऑफ योर होल कैंडल। And rejection zone, see rejection zones means bias were in higher strength in majority of the range. Understand the point? Bias were in higher strength compared to your sellers in majority of the time in that particular day or in that particular period. Here upper side, upper wick is higher compared to your lower wick. So, and including body, the lower side is having lower percentage of the range compared to your upper wick. So, ये represent कर रहा है कि यहाँ पे sellers का जो overall strength थी वो ज़्यादा है compared to your buyers. Okay, so that's how you kind of make sense in a candle. Forget about the size, forget about the color, just see the relative strength. Relative strength means relative closing, relative strength. Relative strength means relative volume. Okay, third point is think about that in which phase that particular candle has came. So phase point I have already mentioned here. Relative position in a trend. Okay, for example here this bullish candle will represent my reversal area, means जो आपका downtrend चल रहा था, you were having downtrend here, but now bullish candle came and it has closed above measure like almost 10 to 12 days of range, and it has come with volume. So possibly my trend has reversed here, even though big movement is there, big volume is there, but closing didn't happen above previous day high. So it doesn't make any sense. Okay, just remember that. And to measure the strength volume, you can take by default 20 moving average as your reference, means we can compare with 20 days moving 20 candle moving average, or you can decide up to your understanding. Okay, it's up to you. So these are the 5 points that if you take into analysis, then you are pretty good to go. And to overcome all of this, I have developed indicator which have kind of understanding of all of these, which is my indicator is super duper trend, or you can also search for true bar color in trading view indicator, kind of indicator search bar, and you will find it there, true bar color. Okay, so here you can see that this candle is significant, this candle is significant, this candle is significant, but I have another criteria. So you can take a small position here, but you are saying that you are seeing the significance. I am showing you the significance that it has brought in, it has kind of fulfilled my criteria except one. Okay, here this is bullish, so And in the bearish candle, I'm not able to find any bearish candle here, except here you'll find some bearish here, but you are seeing the rejection point. Okay, so that's how you make sense out of any scenario. Okay, and final request for the people who have not subscribed, you can please subscribe and let's grow together and earn together. And the people who are new to the channel and who have not joined my Telegram channel, I will provide the link in the description box. Please join and learn with earning. You can learn with earn. And that's all. See you in the next video.